Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and here are the top 3 reasons why I should be on The Social, The Good Stuff with Mary Berg, and CTV Your Morning. Number 1, I've been sharing my rockin' Refashionista expertise and DIYs online for years, and I teach everyone how to create and style their own unique eco-fashion on a budget without any special tools or skills whatsoever. I've also written 20 sustainable lifestyle books, created a couple of e-courses, and have shared hundreds of fab-free tutorials on my blog and channel. Number 2, I not only share how to upcycle and refashion clothing, but also how to transform those less than stellar home furnishings and decor into absolutely awesomely cool new items too. And number 3, I'm already a member of the CTV family, as I am the Gen X winner of episode 12 of Battle of the Generations. I have tons of segment ideas and loads of simple DIYs, so let me teach your audience how to unleash their passion for refashion using items that they may already have lurking around the house.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.